cartoon newspaper. Hey, bud. Bring onion? They walk in here like they own the place. Don't they have any class? Hey, Patty. You know those girls are my friends. Or maybe they shouldn't. Hey, Sandy. Go Sandy.
Yeah.
Hey, shouldn't. How's it hanging? We were just leaving. Patty, can you please say something?
Smart. Very good. Okay.
When are you gonna drop those squares in? Yeah, we're gonna have more us today. Yeah, us, your friends. They're my friends too. See you guys later.
Smart, yeah.
Outside. Close early tonight. Oh, that's cool, but let's just look on the house instead. I'll catch up. One test no longer by. Sure. Wow. What? Well, I hate to tell you this, but you're telling me an Easter egg. Oh yeah, well, I had no trouble in Tintin class. In fact, I had no trouble in all my classes. Reading English just isn't what I thought it was going to be. Well, nothing ever is. Fine, I dropped out. What do you think of waitressing? You wouldn't like it. Hey, maybe I can be a telephone operator. You think? Nah, I don't think I like to wear those things over my ears. If only I had a guardian angel to tell me what to do. You know what living around with that Danny? What do you think? Well, if you find him, make sure to give him the number.
Inside to town, a teenage everyone, both stitched up, learn to leave points on the block. Your future is so unclear now. What's left of your career now? Can you trade on your smile? La 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 school dropout, graduation day for you. School dropout, it's no terms and questionable, but at least you get a good time to wash your feet and clothes up after spending all of your life. Doctor thinks she knows that baby get moving, baby get moving. Don't keep over alive, you're improving. What are you proving? Like a dream, but nothing dry. If you want to join us, la 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 la. Beauty school dropout. Beauty school dropout. Need around that corner store. Beauty school dropout. Beauty school dropout. It's about time you move smart. But we couldn't teach you anything. You think you always know best, but no customers will go to you unless they want a business. Not put out to hold a job, never forget it. Forget it. Once they hear, don't let it stop. Now your things are curled, your lashes curl, but still the world is cruel. Wipe off that angel face and go back to high school. Baby, don't blow it. Don't put my pretty lies to shame. Baby, you know it. Even your rabbits say the same. Now I've called the shot. Get off the block. We really lie. Gotta be going to that pawn shop in love. Sky
I know. What do you think?
Horrible. Ugly.
Who came up with them?
Hey girls, what do you think of Sandy's decorations?
What did you do?
What do you care? You're not really her friend.
One more person. I'll speak to you. No word is there for us to you delinquent.
We can't let me spare.
Please just go see how Sandy thinks. Don't bother. Anyway,
No, she won't. You wallflowers are gonna bore her to death. You know you got to look at that some books, you know.
yeah, you actually gotta shake something. Look at that stuff goes around your guy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Come on, girl.
Come on, what's going on? Let's play dance off.
She got scared. She got scared.
You guys can dance. You guys aren't so bad yourself. Oh, Patty, I think it's time. Girls, would you stay to watch the couple corner? Sure.
I'm gonna be exhausted tomorrow. Don't look at my car. We have to finish with the big race at Sunbury.
We're still sleeping over, right?
Of course, remember Sandy?
Yeah, she said she'd be there.
No, Sandy has to be a great friend.
Yeah, maybe we will let him to
You guys were amazing.
Thanks, we could have done it with that Sandy. She's a secret.
Yeah, with Sandy, who ran your nationals. That's exciting. When's that? Tomorrow.
What? Well, then Sandy will be the next Sandy.
Yeah, what are you talking about?
You're with the auto shop plus. Sandy, you promised. You promised to be there. You promised to help finish the car for the big race.
Well, Sandy, you promised it would be at Nationals, and the bus comes at 2, and we go on at 3.
The race that year.
Oh, girls, I don't know what to say. I guess I promised both of you. I can't choose between friends.
Well, you're gonna have to. Come on, Ashley. Let's go.
I can't believe we finished the car.
I owe you guys big.
I can't believe we made that out of 100 junk.
I can't believe Sandy did, Joe.
Well, I guess a week meant to her more than the car.
Hey, wait. I only came to say one thing.
Well, we don't need to hear it. We know perfectly what you feel, so please show up. Some friends you are.
You know, we were your friends at first and we stuck by you. For you not to show up like that, it was real love.
Miss,
You could have at least called.
you understand, right, Frenchie?
Oh, I understand. Marty was wrong. You took my club over the car.
I need to understand.
You chose the club over us.
Frenchie!
Attention seniors, congratulations on the end of a great school year. You will always have a glorious memory of Rydell High, Rydell forever. But before you leave to enjoy your summer, take a trip out onto the football field and enjoy our end of year carnival. Bon voyage!
Well, look who it is.
Hello, girls.
Patty.
So how was the race last night?
Fine. You win. You good.
You came in second. Well, you came in first. If Sandy was there.
What? Wait, Sandy wasn't with you guys?
What? No. She never showed up for the bus. She was with you guys at the race.
No, she wasn't. Sandy?
What happened to you yesterday?
Yeah, Sandy, what's up?
What happened to me? What happened to you? What's up? What's up with the way you've been treating me, both of you? Putting me in the middle, making me choose, making fun of my friends from the other group.
Excuse me?
You did what?